Hello students, welcome to today's lesson on relative mass and moles. So what is relative atomic mass, AR? It is the average mass of one atom of the element compared to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So what is carbon-12? So in the carbon-12 atom, it will contain 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So it's also chosen as a standard atom for comparison with other atoms. So the relative molecular mass, MR, is the average mass of one molecule of the element or compound compared to 1/12 of the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So what is mole? Mole is the unit used to count particles or measure the amount of substances. So how many particles are there in 1 mole? It's 6 times 10 to the power 23, which is also known as the Avogadro's constant. So to calculate the number of moles, we take the number of particles divided by the Avogadro's constant. So how many moles are there in the neon atoms with 1 times 10 to the power 23 particles? So we take the number of moles, we take 1 times 10 to the power 23 divided by the Avogadro constant, and you will get 0.167 mole. So what is molar mass? Is mass of 1 mole of atoms of that element. So molar mass of an element is equal to its relative atomic mass, AR, in grams. Molar mass of molecular substances is equal to its relative molecular mass, MR, in grams. So the number of moles can be calculated by taking the mass of the element in gram divided by molar mass of the element. So to determine the number of moles of iron in 0.196 kg of iron, so to calculate the number of moles, first we take the mass of iron in gram divided by the molar mass of iron. So it's 0.196 times 1000 divided by 56, and you'll get 3.5 mole. So what is molar volume of gas? Is one volume of any gas occupies 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube at room temperature and pressure. So the volume is called the molar volume of gas. So the number of moles can be calculated by taking the mass of gas in gram divided by molar mass of gas. So number of moles can also be calculated by taking the volume of gas in cm cube at room temperature and pressure divided by 24,000 cm cube. So concentration of solution is the amount of solute dissolved in the unit volume of the solution. So concentration in gram per dm cube is taking the mass of the solute in gram divided by volume of solution in dm cube. Concentration in mole per dm cube is the number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube. Thank you.